Hi, welcome. In the previous chapter we learned about globe. It's used to study the earth as a whole. If you want to study a point on a globe like a state or village, a globe has limitations. There we use maps. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface with the use of a scale. A map may contain facts about a small area. Another map may have facts as big as a book. When many facts are put together, we get an atlas. Maps are of different types. Let's understand some of them. Physical maps or relief map. They show natural or physical features of Earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. They are called physical or relief map. This is a physical map which shows mountains with the color brown and the plains with the color green. So the physical map shows geographical features of a place. Next one is political maps. These maps show villages, towns, cities, states and countries with their borders or boundaries. This is a political map. In this map you can see borders which separates India from other countries and borders which separate one state from another state. Next we have thematic maps. They focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall maps, maps showing distribution of industries, forests, etc. See, this is a map that shows India's literacy rate. Literacy rate is given in percentage, which is represented by colors, various colors given here. So you can call this a thematic map. A theme or specific information is expressed in a map. Now you see, there are three components for a map. What are they? Distance, direction and symbols. What does distance mean? A map fits the entire world into a sheet of paper, doesn't it? A small distance between places on paper or a map represents a large distance on the ground. That means a 50 actual distance is shown in the map as maybe 5 centimeters or 2 centimeters. Therefore, a scale is chosen to reduce the whole earth into a map. What is scale? Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Imagine you travel 10 kilometers from your house to another place. This 10 kilometers is shown as 2 centimeters in the map. That is, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. So, scale is very important in a map. If you know the scale, it will be easy for you to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. Now, when large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on paper, we use small scale. For example, 5 centimeters on the map shows 500 kilometers. This is known as small scale map. When small area like a village or a town is to be shown, we use large scale. That is, 5 centimeters on the map means 500 meters. This is a large scale map. Direction is one of the most important aspects in drawing map. You will see at an upper right corner of a map an arrow with letter N. This indicates the north direction. It's known as north line. Now, how many directions are there? Let's have a look at them. North, south, west and east. There are mainly 4 directions and they are called cardinal points. Other 4 intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. We can use a compass to find out these points. Compass is an instrument with a magnetic needle which always points at north-south direction. If you are not familiar with compass, Get one and see which direction that compass points to. It's the third important component of a map, symbols. We know it's impossible to draw bridges, roads, trees, etc. in a map. So they are shown using letters, shades, colors, pictures or lines. So maps become easier to read. Anyone using any language can understand these symbols, and thus maps use a universal language. There's an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols, so they are called conventional symbols. You can see some of the symbols here. Colors are also used to denote some geographical features, like blue color denotes water bodies, brown color denotes mountains, the yellow color denotes plateau, and green color denotes plains. So symbols are very important components of maps. What is sketch? How does it differ from map? A sketch is a drawing mainly based on the memory and spot observation. This does not need a scale or right measurement of distance. This could be a rough drawing. Here is a sketch map of India which doesn't need a scale. Then what is plan? A plan is drawing of a small area on a large scale. This gives information like width and breadth of a room or a plot. So in this chapter we learned about maps, different types of map and components that's very important about map. Thanks for watching and learning. Thank you.